Some of my favorite, most inexpensive organizers come from the school supply sales at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar General, and one secret store I'm going to show you. Let's start with the Dollar Tree. Now, I know prices have gone up, but I found the storage case in the teacher section for $5, and I'm going to show you how it compares with Hobby Lobby. So as you can see at Hobby Lobby, this almost exactly the same sells for $8.99. So I still think that this is a great deal, and I'm going to show you how I used it to organize my home. Well, you don't have to have kids in school to benefit from back to school supplies, and I am using this teacher's organization case to corral all of my craft supplies that I'd had in various bins. What I love about this case is that it keeps them safe, but I can also take them out one bin at a time depending on what craft project I'm working on. Even though they're sold as back to school items, these organizing products are great for organizing your home all year long. Whether you're organizing your kitchen junk drawer, your bathroom vanity, your home office, or even your car, these back to school organizers at rock bottom prices are going to help you all year long. Honestly, since the Dollar Tree price increase, if I had a child in school, I would skip Dollar Tree altogether. The quality is just not there, and other stores are offering better prices on back to school items. However, one exception to this, I found brand name Post-it notes at Dollar Tree for $1.25, which is a fair price. And I'm going to show you how I use those in organizing my home. I prefer the stickiness of brand name Post-it notes to the store brands, but that's just me. You can comment below and tell me how you feel about it. And on a side note, you may wonder why some of these notes have teeth marks. That is Bella, my long-haired dachshund. She got a little jealous. I was spending so much time planning this imaginary cruise. Using colored Post-it notes is one of my favorite ways to break down overwhelming projects into bite-sized pieces. There are so many affordable and surprisingly useful back-to-school supplies, and I'm going to show you the best of the best. Technically, a balloon arch is not a school supply, but Dollar Tree is fully stocked this time of year, and this kit sold for $5, much less than you would buy it at a party store. I used this to celebrate one of my friend's last day of radiation for breast cancer. These items are budget-friendly, organizing gold for every room of your house, whether you're downsizing, whether you're moving, or whether you are just looking to make the very most of the space you have. Our second stop for back-to-school items that serve as great organization will be Walmart. If you're looking for inexpensive but beautiful artwork for any room of your house, check out the notebooks and folders at Walmart. For under $3, you can cut these out and frame them, and no one will know any different. This is the best time of year to purchase these Sterilite plastic pencil boxes. If you've been here a while, you know that I created a small space cleaning cart using these pencil boxes. This is the best time of year to stock up on multiples of these durable pencil boxes. Apparently, these zippered pencil cases have gone viral on social media. They're brand new to me, so I had to check them out and show you how I would use one of these. Honestly, you could use this as a small handbag, especially if you're going to an event where your handbag has to be clear. The hard case provides durability, and they slip in so easily to my purse. These would also make a great little travel container. For under $5, this back to school pencil case is going to make you feel so much more put together. Walmart is also fully stocked for dorm rooms and back to school college students. And I know that we shopped here when my son was starting college. I found this 20-gallon tote bag at Walmart, and it comes in many beautiful colors. Of course, I'll be linking to all of this below and in my first comment, but this is one of those that you're gonna want to pick up in multiples. It's extremely sturdy. The handles are nice and durable, and that zipper is durable as well. This is water resistant. I am using this to store 3 throw blankets as well as 2 throw pillows, and when you're finished with the storage, it collapses down flat. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. Walmart's fully stocked with dry erase boards of all colors and shapes. Do not even waste your money on these at Dollar Tree. They will not stand up to use. This next one is one of my very favorite home organizers at Walmart, and you can see how I use this in my office and craft supply. If you're an empty nester or you're downsizing and trying to make the most of a spare bedroom, this is a great tool for you. Our third stop for budget-friendly back-to-school organization is Dollar General. Now, I have to admit, this is not a store that I have gone to much, but I am definitely going to be going more. They have these vinyl covered journals for $1 a piece. At least that's what I use them for. And they also still have these durable pencil cases for $1 a piece. These fit perfectly in the glove box of your car, and there's no more searching for important documents. So many of you commented on the episode I did about Dollar Tree price hikes and told me to try Dollar General, and I was so pleasantly surprised. It was like stepping back in time to the days when the Dollar Tree had cute little organizing and decor for just $1 a piece. If you are sending a young adult to their first living situation, this is a one-stop shop for you. The quality is so much higher than at Dollar Tree, and you can find everything you need to equip a home at one place. They even have Dollar Tree exact same cleaning products for $1. What I really appreciate about Dollar General is that yes, they do have the generic brands, but they also have name brands and some very sturdy, wonderfully beautiful decorating items. I found these marble coasters, four of them for $6, which equals $1.50 a piece. And I decided to do away with all my mismatched coasters and level up with these. Our bonus store is Five Below, where I am going to show you some really fun back to school products. If you've been looking for the viral dupe to the Touchland hand sanitizer at Dollar Tree but can never find it, then Five Below has these at $4. And yes, most of them come with cases, which would cost you extra at Dollar Tree. But let me tell you that the scents are so much better. And my favorite was this one. I purchased these silicone snack boxes last year and they have held up so well. Five Below is full of all those cute little things that we don't need, but they're almost impossible to pass up. And it's not too early to start shopping for Christmas gifts. This set of 12 drawer organizers was a great buy at $5.55. I recommend that you purchase several of these. You're going to be using them in all the drawers around your house. They can figure together in multiple different ways. I use this to organize my junk drawer, and they're extremely sturdy. This is one of those items that you can buy once and use for years and years to come. Make sure you watch to the end because I saved the very best for last. I'm Shannon, and we talk about small space organizing, decluttering, and downsizing here on Skip to My Life, and I am so glad you came. My very favorite find was this desktop dry erase organizer. Now, I was really pleasantly surprised at how sturdy this was, and I compared it on Amazon. The same thing sells for about $20. This is a wooden base with an acrylic top, and it's used to hide away all that clutter that accumulates on our desks. The best part is that the top functions as a mini dry erase board. So comment below and let me know which one of these was your favorite. And above all, do not forget that today is not the end of your story, so don't give up. And if you love this episode, you're going to want to watch this one next.